Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of lit entry lit token, and I will definitely going to tell you my next medium duration targets, my next long duration targets and my next immediate short term targets. That is why please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel, links are in this video in this video's description. And this is the CoinGecko page of lit, and here you can see it is currently trading at $10.68 price, and it decreased 12% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 161. Here you can see, and this is the website of this token. This is the market cap. This is the 24-hour trading volume. This is the total circulating supply. This is the 24-hour low and high prices of this high price of this token. And this is the website. You can visit this website, and I think this is a very good project, and definitely it will gain much. And I will definitely tell you my medium duration and long duration targets. That is why please like this video too, and please visit this site, and please read this project, and please research your own, and before entering any coins or entering any token. Because leverage trading or investment in cryptocurrency is always very risky. I will not responsible any of your trading or investing loss. Here you can see, let me please show you some statistics of this token. This is the price and market stats of this token. It is currently at 10.68. This is the market cap. Market dominance is 0.01. Trading volume is that, and total market cap of this token is 0.53, which is very good. 24-hour low price. Here you can see 7 days low price, and this is the current market rank. All-time high of this token is 31.87, and it was on February 1, 2021, and all-time low is 3.04, and it gained 251% within 14 days. In 40 days, here you can see it gives 251% to all of its holders. That is why I'm very sure that this token will give you maximum profit. And this is currently listed at Binance and LBank, MXC, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy or trade lit on Binance, then just please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus, then click on this link and create your Bybit account within 30 seconds. And after depositing these amounts, you can get $600 bonus, and you can trade with this amount, and you can withdraw this amount too. Let's focus to the content. What is lit entry coin or lit entry token? Lit entry is a network that supports DID aggregation protocol and decentralized mobile application. Lit entry network is built on top of this substrate framework, while the objective of enabling DID aggregation, verification, and credit calculation. It aims to supply the process of resolving agnostic DID means by integrating DID standards into a modularized identity service. The lit entry mobile application serves as a secure vehicle for users to collect their decentralized identities and manage them into one place. Lit token holders are also able to participate in on-chain governance in an efficient and secure manner. And some other technical or information or many information are you can read on this website. Let me please check the chart of this token. This is the Binance 4-hour chart of lit token, and let me please show you some all-time some support zones. These are the support zones, and this is the resistance. All-time high in Binance chart is 18.82, and all-time low is $0.27 in Binance chart. This is the Binance chart. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for this token. I think this is the main support zone for this token. and I think it should have to move to hit this zone, and after that it would have to hit this zone. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. I think we have to wait, and once it hit this target 8.7, then our next target is that 14.84, and after hitting this target, let me please tell you my next target, which is I am very certain that LIT may be create its all-time high within some days. I think I am very sure on that. 21.15, you can say $21 price is our next all-time high target for the LIT, and this will be the all-time high price of this token, and this is my immediate short-term target for the LIT right now. Let me please tell you my long duration targets. I think and let me please tell you, you have to buy LIT on that point, or you have to hold LIT from that point or not. But let me please tell you, trading is always very risky. Cryptocurrency investment is always very risky. If you want to trade, and if you want to invest, or if you want to buy, then do it at your own risk. I will not responsible any of your losses. Please stay in the video, and let me please tell you my medium duration target. I think this is the golden zone, and it is in the golden pocket, and this is the right time to buy it, and it is the right time to hold, I think. Let me please tell you my next target. Please friends, show your support, and please like this video, and please share this video to all of your token holders, all of the token holders, and all of your friends and crypto community. I think this is very safe zone. Current price is 10.5, and it is very, very safe zone, I think so. You have to put your stop loss at that point, which is at 3.5, which is at $6.8 price level, and our first target, our risk is 35%, and after hitting our first target, it is our first target, and it is the Fibonacci level of 0.78, and it is at $14.88 price. And let me please arrange this. This will give you 41% profit, and risk is 35%. Let me please show you my target of 6 month and medium duration target. Friends, I think LIT have to hit this target, $80 price target within 6 months. This is my target, and it will definitely give you, it should have to give you 650%, and your risk will be 35%, and your reward will be 65% if you buy at that price. And let me please tell you my target of 1 year. I think within 2021, end of 2021, or maybe at the beginning of 2022, I think it have to hit this level. This is my target of 1 year and 1.5 year, 1 year to 1.5 year, $150. I think it should have to hit this target, and it should have to hit this zone very. I am very certain that it should have to hit this target, and this is the long duration target. If you want to buy this token, then please do it at your own risk, because trading is very risky, and cryptocurrency is always risky. I am not creating any type of hype. I am just telling you the most, I think, most likely target to me. I think it is very I think achievable target, and LIT have to hit $150 price target within 1 year to 1.5 year. This is the target. Please friend, keep supporting me, and if you want to join LIT, then please go to in this video's comment section, where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching. Keep supporting me, friends. Take care.